I'm going to be showing you how to use Flocabulary. This is a new site we will be using. So I am logged in as a student, and we can see at the top we have lessons. You are able to search your own lessons, and we have assignments. If I hover over this, I can see that I have an assignment today, and it happens to be the one I'm on. But if you're looking for your assignments, that's where they are. This will show you what you have to do. So we have the video. You can watch the video. And then we have our vocab cards. And I can see that for this one, there are 9 of them. And it says, write a sentence or example for each of these words. So the first one is command. So when I open it, it says a noun, a sentence that tells you to do something. Ms. Ramirez said that a command like don't do that will often end in an exclamation point. So I could say, teacher commanded class to be quiet. And then I will save it. And I'm done with that one. And then I will go to the next one, and I will do the same thing for all the vocab cards. Once I've gone through all the cards and they all have an answer, I will get a little pop-up screen that says this, are you ready to submit your cards? Once you've submitted your cards, you won't be able to edit them for this assignment. So you're either going to click not yet or submit, and I am ready, so I'm going to hit submit. So submitted vocab cards successfully. Perfect. Now I can go on to the next one. And this is our vocab game, and we were trying to build the beat, answer questions to earn new instruments. So it looks like this. And it says drag the right word to its definition. So a sentence that shows a strong feeling. Yay, I got it right. And you will do that for all the questions. And it says I have 17 questions left. So for this one, it says drag the missing word into place. There are 3 blank you'll find at the end of every sentence. Oh my. A period tells a question mark ass. So I think it's commands. Oh, that was wrong. So it's going to tell me it's wrong. And then it will tell me what the correct answer is. And then I just have to click the arrow to move on. Once I've answered all the questions, it will show me my score. It says that I did 10 out of 18. And then I can review my answers, and I can scroll through and see which ones I got wrong. Now that I'm done with that, I can move on to read and response. And I have some reading passages and some multiple choice questions. So you're going to read the passage and select the best possible choice. So I think it's B, and I'm going to confirm my answer. And I can see that that is correct because it gave me a little green check mark, and I can move on. So I'm going to read this again. I'm going to figure out what needs to be here, and I think it's an exclamation point. And I'm going to confirm my answer. Oops, that was wrong. So it tells me it was wrong, and then it tells me it was correct. Once I've answered all of these questions, I can hit submit. It will tell me how many I got right. I got 2 correct, and I can review my answers, and I can go through them again and see which ones I got right, which ones I got wrong, and what the correct answers were. And then I can move on to my quiz. And we can see up here, there are 10 questions, and they're multiple choice. So a period comes at the end of a sentence that, I think it's A. So we're going to move on. An exclamation point comes at the end of a sentence that asks a question. Move on. I'm going to answer all 10 of these questions. So I've answered all of my questions, and I can see that I can't click next anymore because I'm on question 10 of 10. So I'm going to hit submit quiz. And oops, I can see my score right away, and I can review my answers. And the last part of this is the lyric lab, and it is optional if you are able to do it, and some people are not able to do it, and if you can't do it, that is okay. And up here I can see that I have 4 of 6 activities completed, but now that I've done all of this, the teacher will be able to see your work. So now I am logged in as the teacher, and I'm just showing you that by submitting everything and making sure everything was done, that the teacher will be able to see your answers. I'm going to go to my class where you all are. I can see this is the assignment that I had assigned, and I can see view assignment, and I can see who took it, and I can see how they did on each one of these assignments. If you didn't watch the video or didn't do the lyric lab, it shows up like this, and then I will have to manually grade your vocab cards. But until all of it is complete and everything is submitted, I can't see your grades. So please, please, please make sure that you do everything you possibly can and that everything is submitted. Otherwise, I cannot see any of your grades.